Allah, we will fall short. Ya Allah, we declare your perfection, and no matter how much we declare your perfection and how much we glorify you, Ya Allah, we know there will be deficiency in the way that we glorify you and the way that we declare your perfection. But Ya Allah, we try and we seek and we strive to understand you and to glorify you, and we declare, Ya Allah, your perfection. We declare your glory. Ya Allah, we call upon you bi asma'ik al-husna, with your perfect names, with your perfect attributes, with the ones that we have learned through our Prophet ﷺ, and with the ones that you have kept to yourself. Ya Allah, we call upon you with all of those names. And Ya Allah, we call upon you recognizing all of those blessings. Amongst the greatest blessings that you sent to us, our Prophet ﷺ, as a mercy to us and as a guidance for us. O Allah, send your peace and blessings upon our beloved Messenger Muhammad ﷺ, and his family and his companions and those that follow. O Allah, we bear witness to you that he delivered the message to us. O Allah, we bear witness to you that he is the best example for us. O Allah, we bear witness to you that we seek to be on his way. O Allah, we bear witness to you that we love him and that he taught us to love you. O Allah, send your peace and blessings upon him eternally. And O Allah, let us be joined with him in the highest level of Jannat al-Firdaus, in his companionship and the companionship of those that are most beloved to you. And O Allah, make us amongst those people that are most beloved to you. O Allah, we call upon you recognizing the blessing of Islam, and it is sufficient of a blessing. Alhamdulillahi ala ni'mat al-Islam. All praise is due to you for this blessing of Islam, and it is enough of a blessing for us. And all praises are due to you for the blessing of Iman, and it is enough of a blessing for us. And all praises are due to you for the blessing of the Quran, and it is enough of a blessing for us. Ya Allah, we thank you for your guidance. Ya Allah, we thank you for your guidance. Ya Allah, we thank you for your guidance. Ya Allah, we thank you for this beautiful Quran. We thank you for this Quran, without which we would not have a manual for life, without which we would not have a way to know how to earn your pleasure. Ya Allah, we thank you for this Quran. Ya Allah, we thank you for the ability to recite this Quran. Ya Allah, we thank you for Ramadan. We thank you for the ability to be focused on the Quran. We thank you that in your mercy, you send to us these rituals and these acts of worship so that we can clear the distractions and we can focus only on you for our good. Ya Allah, we praise you for this Ramadan, and we praise you for this Quran, and we praise you for the ability to come together and to pray in your houses. Ya Allah, as you've allowed us to complete the recitation of the Quran, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, make us people of Quran. Ya Allah, make us people of Quran. Ya Allah, make us people of Quran. Ya Allah, do not let us be of those that the Prophet ﷺ complains about on the Day of Judgment as having neglected the Quran. Ya Allah, allow us to observe the right of the Quran. Ya Allah, connect our hearts to the Quran. Ya Allah, make it frequent in our homes and frequent on our tongues, frequent in our masajid, frequent in our lives. Ya Allah, let us be amongst those that recite it and that apply it. Ya Allah, let us be amongst those that recite it and that apply it. Ya Allah, let us be amongst those that recite it and that apply it, and that are elevated by it on the Day of Judgment.